Ugh, this again.
Did you ever try to take a shower, but you wound up taking a bath?
All the time.
Do you have a sink that fills when it's supposed to empty?
Uh-huh.
And who wants to wait for an expensive plumber?
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Turbo Snake.
Well, what do you know? Another infomercial has a solution for us. So my tub here has a little bit of an issue, and I have a preteen daughter who tends to wash her hair down the drain instead of throwing it in the trash like we keep telling her to.
Dad, are you talking about me on YouTube?
No. Anyway, so if you have insomnia like I do, you've been up late at night, you've seen the infomercials for all sorts of these weird little drain snakes and things that can go down, and that drain down there, it has a little bit of an issue in that you can take the lid off, but it's not that easy. So I went online, my favorite website, Amazon, I got these guys. These are the green gobblers, and I literally picked them out because they had the funniest name of all the ones I could find on Amazon. So we're gonna give these suckers a shot and see how well they work, and then you can decide if this is something you wanna do or if you wanna pull your whole drain apart or use Drano. Now, I'm not using Drano or a drain cleaner on this stuff because this tub has actually been recoated, and it's been recommended not to use it on the new coating because it can etch the coating. So we're gonna be using these things. Let's give it a shot. We'll see how it works. Now, I've cleared a lot of bigger drains before using the mechanical and the electric drain snakes, and this is kind of the same idea. It almost looks like a zip tie, but it's got these little hooks, and the idea is you push this down your drain as far as you can. The little hooks grab all the hair and stuff, and you can pull it on out. And we should be able to get it past that lid down there without any issues. So let's give it a shot. Let's get it in there. Let's see if we can get anything. We're gonna try to squeeze it by without having to take that lid off. So getting it in here is getting to be a little bit of a challenge. So you can actually bend the tip of this guy a little bit, give it a little bit of an angle. That it'll get it around there, and then you can get it really kind of in there. And you can start working it around, dislodging anything, and then pulling it out. Ugh, gross. Sorry you got to see that, but I wasn't really sure if this was going to work, but man. It's a little bit difficult getting it around there because there is some drain pieces in around that thing, but holy moly, this is gross. Ugh. Try to attack it from the other side now because I can still see a little bit of blockage in on that other side. I'm thinking that might actually be all of it. Let's get that out of there because that is disgusting looking. And see if we got our drain cleared. Son of a gun, I'm impressed. That took me no time at all, and that would have been a lot harder had I had to pull that thing out and get in there with something. And the way this drain is designed, it's not an easy thing to do. So apparently, infomercials for the win here. This thing actually works. Now I've got a link if you want to pick these up in the description down below. Now these are the ones that I literally picked these out because this was the funniest name that I could find on Amazon, and it has a little goblin thing right there. But you can get whatever you want. These are pretty simple. So I guess this one gets a great big thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below because we got lots more cool stuff like this coming your way, all sorts of tutorials. And of course, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything you'd like to see, and we're happy to help you out.